now that I got your attention, what's going on? So I'm just gonna make fried rice today. It's like 85 degrees here, so it's hot, which is hot for New York. So. It's just gonna be a quick fried rice. I just got some garlic bone bag, got a fridge onion. I found an ahi tuna steak in my freezer. Let's get going. So I've been getting really into streamers lately for some odd reason. And which I guess if Kyrie Irving's getting into it, then I can get into it. I am parasocial as fuck right now, dude. I will tell you, you know, Jakura for life. I've been keeping up. I'm not usually parasocial, but I've been keeping up on that. Which I think everyone is, you know? If you guys hear anything in the background, doors opening, closing, that's my mom. Just like that. I'm gonna do big chunks of onion because I like big soft chunks of onion in my fried rice. I know you're supposed to use leftover rice, but I don't have that in my fridge, so you can stop. Big chunks on. All right, that's done. That's done. Gotta mix the egg. Not washed. I just find it interesting, the whole streamer thing. Dude, I couldn't do it. This is one thing, you know, me and you hear me talking to a camera, but like, it's just me. There's not 100,000 people on the other side, like telling me to kill myself. Or like putting input on my life, getting parasocial about me and my relationships. I dropped egg on the floor. Clean. Alright. I don't feel like getting my wok out, which I guess I'm using regular rice, so it doesn't matter. Rice has got 6 minutes left. I'll see you back. I don't know if anything else has happened since I'm recording this now. I'm recording this on Sunday. So I woke up to them at Burial Cart, to Jakura and Jason at Burial Cart. I woke up to that, keeping up with everything. You know, I'm keeping up with it. It's my like rom-com on there. And I'll tell you, I'm on Ron's side. If they split up, or you know, if this is all for content, I'm done. I'm done. So it feels like, what is it, 2018 again, when there was like the Jerica, like Jake Paul and Erica. It's just what it feels like to me again. Like I was like 13, 14. That's just what it feels like. All right, rice is done. Let's get cooking. Gotta let it cool off a little bit, but we can get all this stuff in. Once again, don't judge me for my dirty stove, because I cook a lot. Like, a lot. And I know this isn't gonna be perfect, like, this isn't gonna be a perfect Uncle Roger fried rice. It's not. I'm white. I'm from Western New York. And this is just what I have in my fridge. I'm not going to the store. I'm not pre-making rice to do this video. I do have, the next video should be a pretty big one with some pre-made stuff, but do you guys notice the camera difference? That we're not on my iPhone? Gonna get that going. I probably should have put a little bit more oil in the pan. I want more oil. Now, did I add the garlic in too early? Yes. A lot of this garlic is gonna burn. You can see it start to burn. I know, it was an accident, but I'm impatient. But while that's cooking, I'm gonna be turning around and stirring it. I just want the onions to soften a little bit. But while that's cooking, let's talk more about fucking Jakura. Oh my God. So I had no idea about Streamer Prom. I mean, I saw him asking out Pokey because I watch a lot of like cutie stuff and love stuff. So I saw him asking out Pokey and asking out Cinna. And then next thing you know, he has a date. And I'm like, who's this date? I'm like, oh, that's Kaide's sister. Damn. So seeing him going, and then I wake up the next morning because I'm on the other side of the country. So by the time, they're doing it, it's already like 1 in the morning here. Oh my God, I think it's my entire For You page. That's all it is. That's all it is now. It's just Jakura stuff. Like, what's going on? Before it was like male hopecore, but now it's just straight, just straight fucking Jason the Ween. Not complaining. Not complaining. I got Twitch just to watch his stream yesterday. But it's crazy that she flew out. It's crazy. Again, and if any of you guys out there are keeping up on this as much as I am, drop a comment on what you think about it, because I want to talk with you guys about it, because it's cool. What I want to do is I want to cook some of that moisture out of the rice, so hopefully I can get a little bit of that like leftover rice texture. If I could just get the moisture to cook out. Seasonings. I'm gonna use garlic powder. I'm gonna use some chili powder. Sorry, garlic salt. I used Lowry's on that, and I'm just gonna throw some black pepper on top of that. I think I'm gonna throw some regular salt. Good. That salt shaker doesn't let out too much. Yeah. I'm gonna go a little bit of fish sauce and then some soy sauce. We'll see, so we'll go fish sauce. Soy sauce. Needs more salt. I think I'm gonna throw Well, it looks like I ran out of garlic powder and no one told me. So I threw some onion powder in there. I threw in some cayenne pepper. And then I just want to throw, I didn't add enough, soy sauce. The fresh rice really sucks up that soy sauce. It just sucks it right up. And then when you taste it, it still tastes dry. On to the protein. I found this in my freezer. I just got it drying out. A little tuna steak. Seasoning on that. I'm just gonna go garlic salt. And pepper. If it's wrong, I don't care. I just making this post because I want to talk about Jakura, if I'm being honest. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, chat. Leave a comment, drop a like. You know, drop a like if you're in Jakura, if you're into Jakura as much as I am. And let's talk about it. I will say, I am not as parasocial. I woke up and people were going into Cinna's stream just to see them sitting on the couch. No, I fell asleep after he ended stream. I went to bed. I have a job. I have a job. I just also love the tea, you know? Oh, fuck. People are about to walk in that don't know that I'm recording. Fuck. And they don't know that I do this. Predicament. All right, chat, so I got them gone. Here it is. I threw a little bit, I put a little bit of teriyaki sauce on the tuna steak because it needed something, because it's just a cheap, really junky piece of tuna. But here she is. You know, I dialed her up a little bit. So yeah, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Drop down below what you think of Jakura and what's going on right now, because I'm in love with it. They're so cute together. It's all good. So, see, next video, get prepared. Tell your friends. See ya.